Want to learn how to do the central double decrease? My name is Rachel Alford from Cozy Nooks Designs, and today we're going to go over how to do the central double decrease, or CDD. It's also sometimes referenced as the slip 2, knit, pass 2 over, or the S2KP. One of the great things of the central double decrease is that it doesn't have a slant. So it will take 3 stitches and then it decreases down to 2. It does leave a decorative edge in the center, which is standard for different patterns like socks and lace knitting. And so I did use the central double decrease in my Cheerful stockings, which is a free pattern on my blog, and you can go check it out. It's also a pattern with Lion Brand yarn, and there is a kit with it, so you can get all of the yarn needed to make the 2 stockings as well as the free pattern. And I'll put a link to that down in the description. So let's do the central double decrease together. You can see I have 3 stitches right here. Just ignore my slip marker right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to slip the 2 stitches knitwise with the yarn in back, like this. I'm going to take off my marker. This just is marking the start of my round. And then you're going to knit 1, and then pass the 2 slip stitches over the knit stitch you just did. That gives you a nice little central double decrease. So I'll show you how to do it again. This is my Cheerful stocking. It's a free pattern on my blog. I will link it here. And for this pattern, I do 2 central double decreases in a round, and so it decreases the toe of the stocking by 4. So I'm going to do another one for this round, so I'll show you again. The central double decrease is also known as a slip 2, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over. There's 2 names for it, so you might hear either one referencing the same thing. So before I hit my marker, I'm going to stop 2 stitches before, and that will show me where I need to start my central double decrease. So I'm nearly there, and I nearly need to switch to my double pointed needles because it's getting a little tight on these circular needles. Okay, 2 more. There we go. All right, so you can see again, I have my central double decrease here. Ignore the marker. I'm going to slip these 2 stitches knitwise off my needle, take this marker off, knit 1, and then pass the 2 slip stitches over the stitch I just knitted, and then put the marker back on. Isn't she a beauty? Doesn't that look nice? Just a nice decrease there. So that's how you do the central double decrease. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you liked it. I am Rachel from Cozy Nooks Designs, and make sure that you give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for future free patterns and tips.